Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get templates on CapCut. Now we are going to open the CapCut application. Now after opening the CapCut application, we're going to go to edit and press on this button beside projects. And then we have filters where we can go to template. And as you can see, I have no projects with templates in CapCut. So if you want to add templates to your CapCuts, all you need to do is simply go to the templates section. So as you can see, there are lots of templates to choose from. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose a template. So let's suppose that we like this template. So currently I am viewing the template, and if I press use template, then I will be able to use the template. Now let's use the template. I'm gonna go to photos, and then I'm going to choose how many photos are necessary. So we need 5 photos. So I'm gonna choose 5 of the photos. Alright, I guess we don't need to choose 5, we need to choose 4 photos. Okay, so we are going to go with 4 photos, and then we're going to click next. So here we go. As you can see, this template is almost ready. After this, we can export the video and save to device. So that's how we can use a template and use our own video. However, as you can see in the edit section, we already have a template. So since this project is already belonging in our template, if we want to use the same template, then we can just simply go to this project and replace this image by clicking on any of the image and clicking replace and selecting any other image. Then the image will be replaced and we will be able to reuse the template and then make another video, or we can just simply choose more templates from the templates section. So I'm not going to export this video because you have got what I'm trying to say. Now if we go to templates, we're going to have a lot of other templates. So many of the templates are for videos and many of the templates are for images, so you can combine images for making videos. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.